Hello everyone, today I want to do a small review of the alarm clock with a built-in MP3 player, FM radio and the function of hands-free. So this plastic piece was bought at gearbest.com. So I needed a simple alarm clock and saw this green guy. They were also white and pink, but they were more expensive, for about a few bucks. This one cost me about 10 with discount. So, building quality is good, no squeaks. So it has a multimedia player, radio, Bluetooth and a built-in battery.
Music. No, you never know. No.
I tested it for several hours. It played music at an average volume for about 5 hours. One speaker, the sound is pretty clean and loud.
FM tuner.
It has a normal
Line
3 and 5 jack port, and to connect line in you need to use the standard cable from the package. When your phone is connected via Bluetooth, the alarm clock works like hands-free. You just need to put the central button to take call. To control it using your phone, you need to download an application from a Chinese website. All in Chinese, but in a random way you can find control of it. So clock is good, you can take it everywhere, like a music box. Maybe design is not very high-tech, but it's small and pretty good. So subscribe, and sorry for my English.